I think she's going to beat him again.
Boom, 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 boom. That works for me.
Now he's going to stop and play, you guys. Check for the burner pump. This is really going to get loud. Business. They are now own the world's fastest semi-jet truck. Give it a look. Debbie is the three-time U.S. Women's Champion. She was the highest scoring woman in the World Championships a couple of times. She's got every flying medal you can get. She's an airline captain for Southwest Airlines, one of the first ones they hired.